Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to install old applications on Android. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser. Let's just say I'm going to open Google web browser right here, and then kindly type APK Pure, tap this one, and then click the very first link and that will appear. Okay, tap this one here and then all you have to do is to click this search icon and kindly search what application you want to install. For example, you want to install the old version of your Facebook application, or let's just say you want to install an old version of Instagram. So all you have to do is to simply search it right here. Now, once you have found that application, what you want to do is to simply click at the profile or the picture of that application. Okay, let's just say for Instagram, I'm going to look for old version or old application of Instagram. Okay, here tap the Instagram picture, tap X, and then scroll down. You will see here all the old versions of this application. If you want to see all versions, tap all versions. If you want to see more all versions, you just have to click this see more here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install all the applications on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.